If you have only like 10k to 20k to spend on skincare, this is a video you are going to find very helpful. If you are a student, or you are someone that is tight on budget, or if you have always been procrastinating on skincare because you feel like skincare products are too expensive, this video is for you. With the inflation in the prices of skincare products in the market, it's not looking like it's only the people that have money that can do skincare. But I'm here to tell you that's a lie. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys affordable skincare routine that you can maintain on a low budget. This is for fair skin people. I'm going to be making one for caramel and dark skin later on, so you guys watch out for that. Before we proceed, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a like so YouTube will know that I'm creating valuable content. That is a way you can support my channel. The first thing you need to know is, to curate a skincare routine, you need to know the step that is involved in a skincare routine, from cleansing all the way to sunscreen. So I'm going to give you the steps, and then I'm going to recommend products as I'm mentioning the steps. The first step to a good skincare routine is cleansing, removing dirt, sebum and excess oil from your skin. The first soap I'm going to be recommending, of course, is black soap. You guys know I'm an advocate for black soap. I use black soap. I love black soap. So you can check out my channel for recipes on amazing black soap for light skin, or you can purchase your black soap wherever you want. But make sure you're getting a good black soap with organic ingredients in it. If you don't want to make your own soap yourself, this Dudu Osun black soap, this is an amazing black soap. I've recommended this a lot on my channel. It helps to get rid of that excess oil from your skin, and it also helps to get rid of acne or even dark spot. This is an amazing product for your skin. Now, I don't want to dwell too much on black soap because I have a lot of videos talking about black soap, so check that out. Another very great recommendation for fair skin is the Ashanti papaya soap. This soap contains vitamin E and vitamin A, and it also contains AHA. It is an anti-aging soap, and it also helps to fight acne. AHA present in this soap promotes cell turnover or cell repair. This soap also helps to exfoliate the skin. This is a very good soap for fair skin, and it is super affordable. Now, the third soap I'm going to be recommending is the Extract Whitening Herbal Soap. This soap contains papaya extract and calamansi extract. The papaya extract helps to brighten the skin, while the calamansi extract helps to fade stubborn dark spots. It is also enriched with vitamins and antioxidants that helps to promote general even skin tone. It is very gentle on the skin. This is the soap that I use presently, and I love it. After you must have cleaned your skin, the next step is toner. First one I'm going to be recommending is this 2006 Deep Pore Toner. This is the toner that I use presently. This helps to remove dirt and oils associated with acne. It also helps to unclog pores in order to allow better absorption of your skincare products. This is good for normal to oily skin, and also for combination skin. If you have dry skin, please don't use this. So this stuff will literally remove oil from your skin. So if you have dry skin, don't use this. Use the next toner I'm about to recommend. The second toner I'm going to be recommending is the Lotion Pure Dilone. So this is the brown one. It comes in 3 different colors: the orange, the green, and this brown one. Any one of it is good, but this is the most concentrated. I have a review on this Lotion Pure Dilone on my channel. I'm going to be linking it in the description box below, so make sure to check that out so you can pick the right one for your skin type. Now, this toner tightens the pores while purifying the skin. It also helps to get rid of acne, as well as fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So for the Lotion Pure Dilone, you don't want to use it during the day, you only want to use it at night. Like I said, I have a review on this product. Check out my description box to check out that video. Now, after toner, the next steps is serums or actives. So for the serum today, I'm going to be recommending these 2 serums. It is a face soothing serum. It helps to hydrate the skin and also gets rid of any texture on your skin. Now, for the Dr. Rachel serum, it is a brightening and anti-aging serum, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, so it helps to firm up your skin. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to reduce the appearance of sunburn and any discoloration on your skin. It also contains powerful antioxidants that helps to reduce sunburn. So if you have sunburn, you can also try incorporating this into your routine. Another amazing thing about the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum is it helps to increase or to improve skin elasticity. So these 2 serums are amazing addition to your skincare routine, and they are super affordable. After the serum, the next step in your skincare routine is the face cream. And for face cream, you really want to go for maximum hydration and maximum moisturization. The first face cream I'm going to be recommending for you guys is the Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream. This contains vitamin C, and it stimulates the production of collagen, thereby reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to deeply moisturize the skin, thereby revealing a clear and healthy skin. You cannot go wrong with this face cream. That is if you get the original, because a lot of fakes are going around. So make sure you get the original of this Dr. Rachel face cream. It is lightweight, it is moisturizing, it gives you this natural glow. Like, believe me, if you get the original one of this Dr. Rachel face cream, you are not going to regret it. If you follow me on Instagram or you've been watching my YouTube shorts for the past year, you know that this is the face cream that I've been using and I loved it. I recently just changed my face cream and I'm going to be showing you guys the one that I use presently. The second face cream I'm going to be talking about is the goji berry face cream. This face cream contains hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanicals. Now, if you watch my video from way back, you know that this was my face cream for a very long time and I fell in love with it. I actually stopped using this face cream because I couldn't find it in the market anymore. Like, I just couldn't find it, so I had to use another face cream. I don't know, you might get it in your own area or where you stay or the country that you live in. You might still be able to get this face cream, but where I live, I couldn't find this face cream anymore. That's why I literally stopped using it. It's big, like the container is big, it's going to last you very long. Now, this face cream would help to prevent acne, it will help to clear out your pores, and it will help to even out your skin tone altogether. You're dealing with hyperpigmentation, you're dealing with like dark patches or dark spot on your skin, try this face cream, you are going to love it. It has anti-inflammatory properties that helps to prevent breakouts and skin damage. So this is also a preventive face cream. If you have acne prone skin, this face cream would work wonders on your skin. The last face cream I'm going to be recommending, which is the one that I use, is the Fair and Lovely Advanced Multivitamin Lotion. So I recently started using this like a month ago and I absolutely love it. It contains vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B6. So it is multivitamin, like the name implies. Now, because of the niacinamide in it, it helps to reduce inflammation. It is anti-inflammatory. It helps to get rid of redness of the skin. It helps to ease acne blemishes or acne scars as well. It also contains stearic acid and glycerin, which helps to moisturize and smoothen the skin. This face cream also absorbs well into the skin and it is super affordable. For affordable sunscreens, I'm going to be recommending the Dr. Rachel Anti-Aging Moisture Sun Cream and the Gavia Sunblock. The two has SPF 60. Now, the best thing about these two sunscreens is they are not just sunscreens, they also have other properties that makes it amazing for the skin. For the Dr. Rachel, it is anti-aging, it hydrates, it also prevents the appearance of dark spots, and it leaves no white cast. Like, it blends into the skin like butter and it gives you this glow. Now, for the Gavia, it contains vitamin C, so it also has a lightening or brightening effect, so it helps to fade sunburn and dark spots and even hyperpigmentation. This is also lightweight and it absorbs so smoothly into the skin. This stuff is big, it's like 200 grams. This one is 60 grams, while this is 200 grams. Like, this would last you a very long time. So for body cream, I'm also going to be recommending two body lotions. The first one is the Clear Therapy lightening lotion, which is it's right there. That's one I use. And also the Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion. For the Clear Therapy, which is what I use, this contains carrot oil and also has kojic acid. Because of the kojic acid and carrot oil in this lotion, they help to reduce pigmentation and also fade dark spots. Also, it contains fruit acids, which are AHA, thereby it is also an exfoliating lotion and it helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It also contains glycerin for maximum hydration and moisturization. Now, this is the lotion that I use presently and I've been using for like 3 years now and I love it. Now, it comes in two variants. It comes with this one with the orange cover, which has carrot oil, and the other one that is just white, does not have carrot oil. I don't believe because of the carrot oil in this one, it is lightweight. So this is one that I use presently and it is amazing. I recommend it and it is super affordable. That's the most amazing part. The second lotion I'm going to be recommending is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion. This is a 2-in-1 combo because there's the one for oily skin and there's the one for dry skin. So for my oily skin to combination skin beauties, you want to go for the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Lotion. That is the one that is formulated for normal to oily skin or for combination skin type. For my dry skin beauties, you want to go for the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Hair Lotion. For the Even Glow Lotion, it contains pure vitamin C, it contains turmeric, pearl extract, and SPF 15. The vitamin C and turmeric helps to brighten the skin and helps to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots. The SPF helps to protect the skin against UVA and UVBs. The pearl extract in this lotion helps to reduce redness and it also helps to promote skin regeneration and heal blemishes and acne scars. This is an amazing lotion for the skin. This one can actually be used by any skin color. And for the advanced care lotion, which is for dry skin, it contains 5 different types of vitamins and 5 different oils. It contains vitamin A, C, E, vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, and vitamin B5. So it also contains macadamia oil, which helps to absorb moisture, olive oil, which helps to lock in moisture, soybean oil, which helps to retain moisture, almond oil, which helps to balance the absorption of moisture, and avocado oil, which helps to heal dry skin. So you can see that it is very suitable for dry skin because of the high content of oils in it. It also helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks because of the high content of vitamins and oil in this lotion. So if you have stretch marks, this lotion would work well for you. Like I said, it's for all skin color. This one is not even specific to only fair skin. Dark skin, caramel skin can use this lotion. So the last thing I'm going to recommend in this video is a scrub, a body scrub, a facial scrub. Now the one I'm going to be recommending for you guys is the Cool Spa Salt. So this is what it looks like. It comes in different variants, but I use this one, which is the turmeric one. Because of the turmeric in it, it helps to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It also helps to brighten the skin. It also helps to get rid of acne and acne scars, as well as body rashes. I'm recommending this scrub because it can be used on both the body and the face. So you don't need to get a separate scrub for your face, a separate scrub for your body. You can use it for both the body and face. And it also serves as a pre-cleanse. It serves as a pre-cleanse because it is a soapy scrub. So it is a scrub that lathers. Like it is, when you apply it, it's like normal scrub, but when you wash it off, it is like soap. So it can serve as a pre-cleanse before you actually take your bath with your soap or whatever. So it is a very good scrub. I recommend this scrub, whatever variant that you see, but I use this turmeric. This is the one that I use, this one that I love because I love turmeric, but you can use every other variant that you see in the market. The whole aim is for you to scrub your skin, is for you to exfoliate, get rid of that dead skin cell, so that your product will work well on your body. You use this 2 to 3 times in a week, not every day. 2 to 3 times in a week is okay for you. Don't over exfoliate your skin. That's it for today's video. If you'd like to see more video like this, let me know in the comment section below, or if you have any video requests that you would like me to make, let me know in the comment section below. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, because when you hit the like button, you are telling YouTube that you enjoy my content. YouTube would know that I create valuable content and they would recommend my videos to more people. See you guys in my next video. Toodles.